Group 52. In Matthew chapter 14, we see Jesus preach to well over 5,000 people. And then he feeds them by taking 5 loaves of bread, 2 fish, and he begins to break them into servings. And eventually the servings feed all of the people in attendance. Many of us are praying for God's blessings, God to increase our life. We want the money, the prosperity, the houses. But what is in your hands for God to actually bless? If you're praying for a blessing, for God's increase, there has to be something for him to multiply. You see, if you're a singer praying for God to increase you, but you've never recorded a song, what is there for him to bless? If you're working a 9 to 5 and you never started your own business, yet you're praying for God's increase, what is there for him to bless and multiply in your life? It's important to evaluate, what am I holding? What tools and resources do I have? Maybe I need a new job. Maybe I need to start a new career, another trade. I have to work towards something so that when it's my season, there's something in my hands for God to bless and multiply. Thank you, Group 52. Stay focused, make sure you're in the right position, and you're utilizing those tools and gifts that he blessed you with. Have the best week of your life.